Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I've had a couple of screwdrivers turn up. I thought they were both interchangeable tipped screwdrivers, but they're not. So let's take a look and see what we've got. We have a Beco and we have a King Dick. So let's look at the Beco first. So Beco, I think these are made in Europe. Are they made in Europe? Yes, they are made in Europe. The actual UK importer there is shown as Snap-on Holdings Limited. So it's Beco is part of the Snap-on brand. They seem to be very well made, very well received. Been a long history. Has a long history. This country. It was 1886, I believe, in Sweden it was started, and Beco have actually invented some of the most essential tools in the world. Quite a famous company. The logo, which is a fish and a hook, is basically because they're made, the blades were made from the same steel as fishing hooks. So the original blades on Beco saws were made out of very high quality steel, which is what was used for the fishing hooks. So let's get this one out. Stuck. Comes quite well packaged. There's no plastic on the packaging, which is nice. And there we have it. So it's a ratcheting screwdriver. Very smooth. And the collar there, it's a metal collar. The collar just simply is backwards, locked and forwards. It's quite a decent size, quite heavy. Let's see how long it is. It is 10 inches, which is roughly 25.5 centimeters. So nice size. It feels really nice in the hand. It's got a nice textured grip, and that's the model number there, 808050. And on this side it's got Beco and the fish hook logo. Doesn't say anything on the shaft as far as I can see. Nope. And what you do with this one is you squeeze these two orange parts and out pops a bit holder. It's held in, there's a spring in there which pushes it out once these little metal clips are released by pressing those. And you've got PZs, PH, you've got some flats. Let's try one. That's really nicely done, that. Real positive click. That's nice. And yep, it's magnetic. It's actually quite a strong magnet, that as well. Very strong. So there we have it, the Beco interchangeable ratcheting screwdriver. Now the King Dick is the second one. These are from Whatnot, by the way. I won them Whatnot auction. The Beco came in at £10, which is slightly less than retail. I've had a look online and they're around about £12. The King Dick I paid £2 for. And retail on the King Dick website, I don't think you can actually buy it direct from the website, but it says retail is about £10. I have seen them cheaper than that. I don't think they go for full retail, but I think £2 for this is quite a good deal. This is the 1 for 6 insulated screwdriver. King Dick, again, much like Beco, have a very long history. Made in Birmingham in England since 1856, so slightly older than Beco. This is the 1 for 6, which is a patented tip design, and it's for use on 6 different screws. This one's also insulated VDE. But yeah, you can use it on PZ1, PZ2, PZ3, PH1, 2 and 3. So let's have a look at this. This is the mistake I made. I thought it came with those interchangeable tips, but it's actually one tip that does all. It's really hard to see, but it's just a slightly different shape, and it will fit all 6 of those It actually says it on the end there. pH 1, 2 and 3 and PZ 1, 2 and 3. Again, really nice design, really nice handle. It's got flatter sides than the Beco, slightly smaller handle, but it feels really nice, and it's got flat edges here which are nice to get a real good purchase on. It's got it says 1000 V on the shaft there. Yeah, we know about the King Dick jokes, juvenile jokes that some people come up with for these, but I'm not that kind of person. You have a hole in the end if you want to put a loop or you want to hang it up. But yeah, just a really nice screwdriver. So that's a couple of nice screwdrivers to add to the collection. Collection's growing and growing. What I will be doing sooner or later when I get enough subscribers is to I'll be giving away a lot of the tools. So if you do like the videos, please like and subscribe. Let's spread it far and get as many subscribers as we can so I can start doing tool giveaways. Thank you very much. See you on the next one.